Okay guys, there's a song called Legend by The Score. Some cool riffs in here. So look, you're going to start here on the A string with your third finger. You're going to go, which is 7, 5, 7, 5, then down to 7 on the E. 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, back up to the 5 on the A, and then you're going to go 7, 5, 3. Look. 7, 5, 3, and then we're going to repeat the first part back up to that 5 there, and then you're going to go onto the D string and you're going to go slide from 7 to 9 down to 5. So you can just use one finger there, or you can just get onto that 5 with your first finger. That's probably what I would do. So look, we're going to go 7, 5, 7, 5, 7 on the E, back up to 5 on the A, 5, and now back to the E string, 7, 5, 3, and 7, 5, 7, 5, 7 on the E, back up to 5 on the A, then you slide on the D from 7 to 9, and on the 5. And you got a little tail on the end here. So we got this, look, same as the first part. 7, 5, 7, 5, and then 7 on the E. And then you're going to stay on that 7, and you're going to go 7, 5, 3, 2. Little tail on the end there. Okay, let's do the verse as well. We're going to go. Now this is cool because it uses some of the same stuff as we saw there in the that main riff there. So we're going to start with a big E minor there. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 times there. And then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the same tail as the main riff. 7, 5, 3, 2. So all together we got E, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 7, E, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 3, 2. Okay, and then back to that. A lot of bass in this song as well. Sometimes it's the bass doing the that guitar riff as well, but hopefully that's helpful. Cool song, check it out.